full stack web development. Full stack web development is front end plus back end plus a database. That's all that means. A full stack web developer can write front end code and back end code. So this usually means they write a lot of JavaScript along with a back end language such as Python. So in this example, Python executes on the server and JavaScript executes on the browser. And every time you hit a website, there is a server doing some sort of processing, somehow behind the scenes. Now, one thing to note is a backend language can dynamically create HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as well. Let's talk about the stack. A stack is a term we use to talk about all the technologies that a company is using, and stacks can be different. So two popular stacks is LAMP and MERN. LAMP is a common stack. It's Linux, Apache, MySQL for the database, and PHP or Python for the backend. And MERN is another common one. This one is pretty much all JavaScript. It's MongoDB, Mongo database, Express, React.js, and Node.js as the backend language. A full-stack web developer is usually one who writes front-end and back-end code, but often doesn't have specialization in all areas. But they can do a little bit of everything. So typically a full-stack developer specializes in one or two languages, but can still work on other languages. For example, I specialize in writing Python, but I can also write JavaScript as well.